So again, index and index structure. So index is a mechanism for efficiently locating records without having to scan the entire table, right? So similar to your textbook, whenever you want to look for a particular topic, instead of scanning the entire textbook, you are going to look into the index page, which contains the chapter, topics, and so on. So it helps to efficiently locate records without having to scan the entire table, right? So basically, indexing is done based on some search key. So it contains a search key as well as a pointer. It's a data structure. Index is a data structure that contains search key as well as a pointer to the particular location of the key in the table. So you are you have to know the difference between candidate key and a search key, right? So a candidate key is a minimal super key in a database management system. So candidate key is a set of attributes that guarantees uniqueness. Candidate key is helpful to identify unique identification of tuples, whereas search key, again, it's a sequence of attributes, but it does not guarantee uniqueness, right? So generally, you all know the index structure, right? So index structure contains some index entry and the location mechanism. So the index structure contains a search key value and a pointer to a row having that value, right? So it contains a search key as well as a pointer to a row having that particular search key value. So we should have a location mechanism. We need to have an algorithm plus a data structure for locating an index entry with a given search key value, right? So right. So 1 minute. I have a call. Right. I think. So, right. So index entries are stored in accordance with the search key value. Right. So index entries in the same search key values are stored together using hash tree or a B tree. So we'll study how to use B tree for storing the search key values. So this is how we have a search key value. So the location mechanism makes it easy to find the index entry for a particular search key value. And once the index entry is found, the row can be directly accessed, right? So initially you are going to use a search mechanism, location mechanism to look for a particular search key, yes. And once you are able to find the particular index entry for yes, right? So once the index entry is found, the rows can be directly accessed, right? So you are